Hello, my name is Juan Manuel Posada. Today I will talking about myself and my city. My name is Juan Manuel Posada Gomez. I am single, but I have a girlfriend. I am from Medellin. I am 27 years old. I am a student for be a pilot and business administration. In my free time, I like go to the stadium. I go to the see to the aircraft. In my city, in Medellin, uh, the the main the typical food is bandeja paisa, and the main celebration is the flowers fair. Uh, in Medellin, the main tourist places are the Pueblito Paisa, Lleras Park, Guatapé, graffiti stores in San Javier neighborhood, and Boteros places. But there are a lot of places that you can visit.